In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Peacock free trial. Step 1. Log into your Peacock account. Go to peacocktv.com and sign in with your account credentials via the web browser. Step 2. Navigate to Plans and Payments. Under your profile icon, go to Account, then Plans and Payments section. Step 3. Select Cancel Plan. Click on Cancel Plan and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm cancellation. Step 4. Cancel from iPhone/iPad if subscribed via iOS. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then Subscriptions, then select Peacock, and then tap Cancel Subscriptions. Step 5. Cancel from Android if subscribed via Google Play. Open the Google Play Store, go to Menu, Subscriptions, choose Peacock, and Cancel Subscription. Step 6. Cancel via Amazon if using Amazon channels. Go to your Amazon account, Memberships and Subscriptions, find Peacock, and then click Select Cancel Subscription. Step 7. Cancel on Roku. From your Roku device or Roku website, go to Manage Subscriptions, select Peacock, choose Cancel Subscription. Now some tips for canceling. You will retain access until the end of your current billing period. No refunds for already charged periods. Make sure to cancel before the trial ends to avoid any charges. And that's how you end your Peacock free trial. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.